ever been in a critical moment and your system failed just because of a missing adapter? In today's fast-paced tech world, a single connection can decide between success and disaster. This is not just another adapter. This is your safety line, your last-minute solution, and your go-to savior when everything else goes wrong. This is SNM_AC USB, the adapter professionals trust. Imagine you're in the middle of an important meeting, or your business depends on a secure, instant network setup, and suddenly the link breaks. Just because you didn't have the right adapter, the SNM_AC USB is built for reliability, engineered for mission-critical environments, and trusted by IT professionals, network engineers, and enterprise users around the world. It's not flashy. It doesn't need to be, because it works always. The SNM_AC USB is a powerful USB to AC adapter designed specifically for plug-and-play performance. No drivers, no software, just instant power delivery, heavy-duty durability. Crafted with industrial-grade components to last longer under pressure, compact and portable, carry it in your toolkit, pocket, or bag, ready when you need it most. Universal compatibility. Works with major Cisco models and beyond, giving you flexibility on the field. It's more than just a cable. It's a lifeline in your workflow. You don't buy an adapter for fun. You buy it because you can't afford to fail. And the truth is, most generic adapters are cheap for a reason. They break. They disconnect. They ruin your workflow at the worst time. But when you're installing critical infrastructure or supporting a multi-million-dollar network, you need tools you can trust. That's why IT pros turn to SNM_AC USB. It's the small investment that saves you big problems. At Shopiluxe, we understand that trust is earned, not given. That's why every SNM_AC USB adapter is tested, verified, and shipped with care. No middlemen, no low-quality knockoffs, just the real and reliable gear you need. We're not just another store. We're your partner in performance. And if you ever need support, we're just one call or email away. Always here to help. Your time matters. Your work matters. Your success depends on the tools you choose. Don't let a $30 problem cost you a $10,000 opportunity. Invest in reliability. Invest in performance. Invest in SNM_AC USB. Because when everything else fails, this is the adapter that doesn't. Visit shopiluxe.com. Now, get your SNM_AC USB adapter today. While stocks last, make the smart choice. Make the safe choice. Shop SNM_AC USB because you can't afford downtime.